Did y'all transform? Just kidding. They quit. We the new teammates now. And I heard Fiona team, some of the teammates got fired. Oh, this gonna be smoothie. Now let me finish my battle with Shrek. How dare you? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Fiona, help me. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, I forgot you on our side. Next time, he's the target. What you? Don't listen to him. He lied to you. While you're listening now, he jumped in the air and switched places with me. Uh, he while you was day sleeping, he sneaked behind your back and yeah, it was working. Go out of here. Sorry, I apologize to him. He's nothing but an intruder. Yeah, give me some skin. Yeah. You need to die. Fiona, stop it. Or I command you to stop. Not my leader anymore. Oh. Oh. Fiona. Give me some skin. You go back to lab. Yes. You mamasaur. Ah. Oh. You mamasaur. You're mamasaur. Shana! She's Shana! Oh! Oh! Need to be charged or burned. Beat me. Shut up. Shut up. Come on, Tag. Power is not your friend, is it? Come on, Tag. Power is not your friend. You just... She's trying to mobilize you. Why use my body as a target? Why remove my body? Let go of me, Fiona. No, this isn't funny. Oh, I agree, March. I'm a green March. Oh, you're gonna be a green nothing. Ow. Ow, 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 not my toenail. Tornado kid. You're so tough, Fiona. Got the beast in you. Your skills had improved. What happened to me? Fiona Dowling! I'm back. Turtle. Saloon's turtle. They revived me. The older games revived me. My family couldn't revive me. And I came back to your team. Oh, good to have you back. Take care of that Fiona minutes. Change my back track. I take care of this. Why? Just do it. I'm the leader now. Elizabeth's the leader. No, she's not. If I die, this whole show dies. You did die, man. The whole show been alive even when you're dead. This time, if I die, the whole show die because I'm the Rock. Well, I'm gonna kill the show. Isn't that what you, creator? Creator, you want me to destroy the show? Go easy. Only use words like this, Fiona. You can't destroy him, but he's not gonna really destroy the show. Why? I'm your creator. You do what I want to do. Yes, sir, creator. If I want the show destroyed, you can destroy it. But don't just watch it. Yes, I will watch it. See, you're not going to destroy the song. But you made us do this. I was just kidding. I really don't expect you to really destroy the show. I know. Oh. Oh. Dinner, 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 dinner.